Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny U-Pull, and well, what I'm going to show you is probably the newest vehicle I've ever seen in the junkyard. This is a 2016 Ford Transit. Yes, a 2016. It had a 3.2 liter 5-cylinder straight 5 diesel engine in it, which as you can see is gone now. Because, well, it probably had super low mileage on it, but as you can see, the thing burnt up for some reason that I don't know. Fuel tank is right there. It's kind of a strange place for it, but I guess it works. Has to be, if they're putting them there. Mirrors just melted right off of it. The glass is broken, but this is bulletproof glass. Doesn't open. This was an important vehicle. Look inside there, guys. I'm not gonna open this door up, but there's a brake rotor in there. This was an important vehicle. There's a bunch of receipt paper in the back and everything too. Transit 350 HD. There was where your Power Stroke badge was. Yeah. And this side here, the hinges pulled right off so they could get in to put out the fire. The door is torn, probably from having to get into it. And it was diesel, like I said. Put your DEF fluid there. And that's just vinyl on the side. I always thought that was plastic trim. I've been fooled. Oh wait, it's not plastic trim because this is a wow, that's a tough back end on this one. Yeah, that's like a bulletproof back end on this thing. Must have been a truck dealing with money. Bulletproof back doors. And as you can see, it's pretty well fireproof too, because there's like no fire damage back here at all. A little bit of smoke damage, but no fire damage. You have some receipt paper, access cash. We have some RBC stuff in here. Some more RBC. I'm guessing this is a truck that was used with RBC a lot. Yeah, probably a banker truck. Well, not a banker truck, but yeah, you know what I mean. Because it's bulletproofed and everything. But man, for a 2016, this thing has a lot of rust on it. Look at that. That's not Ford's fault at all. This is the manufacturer of the add-on parts. There's a lot of rust starting. Maybe not proper preparation, but the rear axle's gone too. Someone took the whole driveline. Spare tires underneath. And there's where it was lifted up. That door does not open, it's locked, I'm assuming. And yeah, this glass quite literally just melted. It just melted. And it got out right here a little bit, but not too much. These hooks are here for that. Wow. She's burnt up. Too bad they didn't leave the money in here. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.